Good morning, kindergarten. Welcome back to our math lessons. This morning we are going to be talking together more about addition. Yesterday I introduced you to the concept of addition. As a reminder, addition is bringing two or more groups of things together to see how many there are in all. Today we are going to be doing addition a little bit differently. Instead of reading math stories and solving addition problems, today we are going to be counting actual objects. So I have some things to show you here, and then we will work together on our work page in just a couple minutes. So we are going to be counting cube trains today. I have two blue cube trains. And I want to add 4 red cube trains, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if I were to add these together, I have to count to see how many there are in all. To do that, I am going to say the first number that I see. I see 2. I'm going to say 2. Then I'm going to count on. Remember, when we count on, we are not starting at the number 1. We are counting from whatever number we would like to start at. So we're going to start at 2, and we're going to count on 4 times. Watch me first, and then I'll have you do it with me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's how we count on. Would you try that with me? Everyone say our first number, 2, and count on 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. We're adding when we do that. 2 and 4 is 6. Great work. Let's solve another one. I would like to add 3 and 5 together. To do that, I'm going to say the first amount that I have in my group, and then I'm going to count on however many is in the second group to bring them all together. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Would you do that with me? Say the first number, 3, and count on 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. 3 and 5 is 8. Great work. We're going to try one more. I would like to add together 4 and 1. I'm going to say the number in my first group. I'm going to then count on the number that is in my second group to bring them all together and see how many there are in all. Listen first. 4, count on 5. That one was a lot easier. Would you try that with me? 4, count on 5. Very nice. 4 and 1 is 5. Now, if you're not too used to counting on, you can always do what we did yesterday, which is to count them all together. So I want to show you how you would do that if you're not quite comfortable yet counting on, and that's okay. We are practicing that. So if you'd like to use a different strategy, you may do that as well. Instead of counting on, we could also just count them all together. I could put my groups together, 2 and 4, and count them all together starting at 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I still find that 2 and 4 is 6. I could do that the same for 3 and 5. I can put the 2 groups together and count how many there are in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 and 5 is 8. I could do the same for 4 and 1. I can put them together and count how many in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 and 1 is 5. Great work. So now that I've introduced you to today's lesson, I would like you to please take out your math page and we will begin working on that together.